Good afternoon. This is Bob Knight. It's the 11th. It's the 8th day of November 2016, election day, and the markets were pretty good today. I guess they're all anticipating Mrs. Clinton to win. Anyways, this is a trade I did today on AMKR, straight off my watch list. AMKR Technologies. This is the one-year chart on stocks to trade, put up by Timothy Sykeson's group, and you can see that this stock had built a big base in here over a 3-month period, and then broke out above the $10 level, came back down, nice orderly retracement, touched back down to the 10, and then yesterday took a nice spike up, and I actually traded it yesterday for profits, and then today took off again. It's a big company though, it's like watching paint dry. But I guess $1 of profit, still $1 of profit. Big shares outstanding, 237 million, 99 million to float, so it's a $2.6 billion company. 1.3 million average volume, today 1.6 million. So here is what I said about this stock on my watch list. Find it. Here we are. Here we are. AMKR. I wrote about the stock over the weekend and went long at 1080. It had made a multi-year high, trading at as high as 1104, closing at 1092. I would look to go long the stock over today's high with a target with $12 as the target. So any price over 1104 was where I was looking at. I traded it for 20 cents yesterday. This is the I normally trade using a 2-day chart, 5-minute time period, and on it I'll have the 15 EMA, exponential moving average, and the 5 EMA. So here's the level. This was the level that I was looking at for the stock to break over. It opened up a little bit from the close, but still under $11. And I was watching it, and here it made 1104, had a little pullback, and then in this candle here 1105, and I went long here. And as you can see, the 15 EMA was moving up slightly at that time, and the 5 was also moving up and away from it. So, you know, this chart was pretty good, and then it took off. I just, you know, was just a grinder all day long, up, 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 up. And I kept thinking, you know, I should maybe take some profits, but the 15 was just kept moving up, and the stock came back and touched, came close to touching it, but never, broke through it or anything like that. So I just let it ride. Then when I got up in this level here, 1141, and then 1144, but it was actually in this candle here that I sold. I was watching the big markets, and they were starting to come down. I thought, you know what, I should just take some profit. And I sold my position at 1142. This candle had a high of 1143. I sold my position at 1142, and fortuitously, because then the next 5-minute candle, it came off, and then it, continued to trend on down. So, but caught all of the move, really, meat of the move. It was a slow grinder, but I still made $350 on the trade or something, so can't complain. Anyways, that's my trade.